Test mic 1, 2, 3. Naka-off yung mic natin. mega love shoutout. Medyo late tayo nakabalik. No? Nag-overtime tayo sa ating trabaho. So, babalik tayo sa ating iniwan. Pero bago yun, sa takbo, ay nangyari. Anong nangyari kay sino yun? Si Attorney Carlo Narbasa. Tama ba? Diyos ko, Lord Rudy. Narbasa Fortune. Nangyari. Asan yung kinain? Ay, Diyos ko po. Si Atty. Ligutan pa lang yan. Diyos ko, Lord. Nangyari. Nangyari. Diyos ko po. Kinain ng buhay? Sino? Tragis. Naging katawa-tawa ang mga defense team. Tragis. Anong nangyari? Bakit overruled? Bakit puro denied? Ay, tragis. Ay, Diyos ko po, Lord Rudy. Ang mamahal ng bayad sa inyo, tapos ganyan lang ang Diyos ko po, Rudy. Di ba? Mga, ano yun? Sasabi nila, ano yun? Patikang, mga magigiting at magagaling na mga lawyers. Tapos meron pa isa, nag-walk out. At Regis, ano nangyari sa inyo? Round 2 pa lang, wala na, sablay na. Diyos ko, Lord, shout out sa'yo, Kabsat Mark Bon Jovi, Lovely Les, shout out, Ardayan. Naku po! Ang sarap kumain ng piatos. Mary Grace. Regis. Kinain ng buhay. Ang Diyos ko po, Rudy. Anong nangyari? Napanood nyo naman, di ba, kanina mag-chat, no? Napanood nyo naman. Hindi pa nga natin tinapos, pero talagang kitang-kita na kung sinong nasa palpal, di ba? Desert Spring. Perold Michael Angen, Perold Ray Michael Oregencia. Ang haba ng pangalan. Dikit-dikit. Shout out sa iyo, Kabsat. Grabe, ang nangyari. Sige, wag na rin patagalin to, Tragis. Ito nangyari kanina.
Taong 2024, naalala mo yun?
Objection, Your Honor.
2024, naalala mo yon.
What is the basis of the objection?
Your Honor, it's leading.
Your Honor, please.
Misleading daw. Sabi ni Fortune, si Fortune ba to? Si Narbasa. Diyos ko pa.
If I may, Your Honor, please.
You remember leading, Your Honor.
If I may, Your Honor, please, I'm just giving in to what the defense wants. The record will bear me out. This witness mentioned so many times over that he
The delaying tactics of the defense team of Vice President. Tragis. Nakakahiya.
investigated the statement of the Vice President uttering that she already contracted a person. The whole nation is listening.
Yes.
The chair will
Your
make a
Honor,
ruling.
so many
Ruling.
words leading.
The chair will make a ruling. The objection is overruled.
Aray ko po. Sara Duterte. Kaya naman pala, wala silang laban. No? Anong laban nila? Nag-file si Torion, mga kakabsat. Tragis. Mali daw na ginawang presiding officer si Chis Escudero. Tragis, ginagawa nila ng technicalities. Wala silang maibato. Kukunin na naman. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Wala talaga, oo. Sige, tuloy. Maganda to, katawa-tawa.
Earlier, chair noted. I have it in my notes. Witness will answer.
Mr. Witness, naalala mo ba yung tanong?
Can you repeat the question?
Okay, now.
Kindly repeat the question, counsel.
In what particular portion of the subject video?
In what particular subject video?
In that online media conference of the Vice President, did she utter that she already contracted a person to kill the President, the First Lady, the former Speaker? In what portion?
Objection, Your Honor.
What is the objection?
Objection na naman. Nakailang objection na to? Sapa.
contracted a person to kill the President, the First Lady, the former Speaker. In what portion?
Objection, Your Honor.
Objection na naman.
Objection.
Your Honor, this honorable court already ruled on this question.
This will be quick. Mr. Witness, you said that your office conducted an investigation on the statement made by the Vice President dated November 23, 2024, correct?
Objection, Your Honor. Leading.
That's-
Your Honor, he's not on direct. He's
Overruled. Witness may answer.
Putragis, overruled na naman. Kumain ng overruled, Putragis. Incompetent. The last count of the objection and incompetent. Yun lang, Arda yan. Putrag, ang mahal ng bayad sa mga to, ha? Diyos ko, Lord. Parang sabihin mo ng si Kaufman. Diyos ko, Lord. Anong nangyari asan yung kinain ng buhay dyan? Ha? Wala pa kay Luis Troyan. Ha? Diyos ko, Lord. Si Attorney Ligutan pa lang yan. Attorney Amando Ligutan. Ha? Carlo Joaquin Narbasa. Anong nangyari? Ha? Ay, Diyos ko po, Rudy. Tuloy.
Nung, ano ba exactly yung sinabi ng Vice President nung araw na yan? November 23, 2024.
objection, Your Honor.
Well,
Vague.
I'm not yet done.
Well, Your Honor, the pauses of the prosecution are very
Kindly
confusing.
let the counsel for the prosecutors finish his question
Precisely,
before you
Your Honor.
object.
May I
Counsel
ask
for the prosecutor
also
may
the...
proceed.
may-
Kindly finish your question.
Yes,
if you want
so-
to state it again, counsel for the prosecutors.
Maybe it's the tone. No? I'll be quick.
Bakit daw ganun siya magsalita? Eh, style na yun eh. Strategy nga, di ba? With feelings. Di ba? Hindi to, anak ng kamot. Bagito ba to? Diyos ko po, Rudy.
Precisely,
Before you
Your Honor.
object,
May I
counsel
ask
for the prosecutor
also
may
the...
proceed.
may-
Kindly finish your question.
Yes,
if you want
so-
to state it again, counsel for the prosecutors.
Maybe it's the tone. No? I'll be quick. What particular statements of the Vice President on that day did you investigate?
Objection, Your Honor. Vague.
Please.
Take counsel for respondent. A bit of patience. Let the counsel
Yes.
finish. I don't think he's finished.
The question is done. What particular statement on that day did you investigate? How's that leading?
Objection, Your Honor. Vague.
Okay.
Not
Oh.
leading.
Your Honor, please. Can I
didn't say
that,
leading.
Your Honor, please? Can I?
What was
Whether-
counsel? What's the basis of the objection?
Vague.
All right. I will
It's a
indulge. Your
2 hour
Honor, please.
36
I will
26
indulge,
minute
Your Honor,
video, Your
please.
Honor.
I will indulge. I will add these two phrases. It will never be. That. Now, Mr. Witness, what statements did the Vice President utter on that day, if any?
Your Honor,
Oh.
same objection. There's a
Please.
2 hour 26 minute. What?
Let the witness answer.
Counsel, this 2 hour and so minute video was done on the same day.
Yes.
Correct, Your Honor, but the question must be given with particularity.
If the witness knows, witness may answer. Answer.
Aray ko po. Ang sakit. Pakisundo nga itong abogado nyo. Pakisundo nga. Kung ako sa'yo, Sarah, palitan mo to. Ipapahamak ka nito. Putragis, day 2 pa lang. Putragis, sunog na. Oh my goodness. Nangyari. Feeling magaling kasi ang may sayad abogado. Yun lang ha. 'Di ba? Furious. Feeling nila entitled sila masyado. Eh bagito to eh. Diyos ko Lord. Pangalan lang naman meron nito, 'di ba? Ano bang pangalan nito? Carlo Joaquin Narbasa? Tama ba? Siya ba to? Anak ng kamote. Oh. Kaya naman pala mga kakabsat.
Leading.
Itong si
Your Honor,
Torrio.
please, if I may, Your Honor,
Do
please.
you remember? Leading, Your Honor.
If I may, Your Honor, please, I'm just giving into what the defense wants.
Oh my goodness. Wala na. Anong nangyari? Opera mo na, Kabsat Ivan. Fortune Narbasa lawyer. Narbasa, the student, Ligutan, the teacher. Handa ang ebidensya, handa ang argumento, handa para sa bayan, katarungan, hindi kautusan. Samantalang si Narbasa, what's the question again? Can I ask for clarification, Your Honor? I object. Ano daw? Defense counsel laging overruled. May sermon sa judge. Nangangapa sa direct examination. Kulang sa paghahanda. Diyos ko por, do not waste the court's time. Sabi naman dito ni Cheese. Agoy. Talaga, ang ganda talaga ng kirig kanina. Diyos ko Lord. Ha? Nalekturan ng Bagito. Ha? Diyos ko po, Rode. Nalekturan ng Bagito, mga absat. O ito, mga absat, ito, sabi pa niya, ito po ba ang pinakamalakas na kabilang grupo? Kahit isang leader ng estudyante ng elementary ay hindi tatagos. Kailan pa naging original ang photocopy? Sabi naman ng mga garapata. This is not an original or certified true copy and we object to introduction of this and in the identification of this. Sabi niya, photocopy now is considered an original. Bakit nga ba? Ito mga kapsat, isampal sa pagmumukha ng mga garapata. Supreme Court, photocopies may be admissible as evidence in court. Popo! The Supreme Court has ruled that a duplicate or photocopy of original documents, whether in paper or electronic form, can be admitted as evidence in court, provided there is no genuine question regarding the original's authenticity of fairness in using the copy. DDS, basa-basa mga kumag. Putragis, anong klaseng mga abogado to? Diyos ko Lord. Sunog na sunog. Diyos ko po Rudy. Photocopy is now admissible to that same extent as the original. Nakabaw. Narbasa. Bagito. Putragis, sunog na sunog tong batang to. Diyos ko Lord. Nakabaw. Ang sabi dito? Hayop yung si Attorney Narbasa ng defense team, sabi ni Banat Boy. Sara, 385 objections per hour. Akala ko ba bloodbath? Wala. Wisik-wisik. Diyos ko por Rudy. Ito. Tarantang-taranta. Republic of the Philippines Supreme Court. Attorney Estrelito Torion. Et al. Versus House of Representative Justice Honorable Jervil Luistro and Representative House. Ano sabi dito? Petition for certiorari and prohibition with prayer issuance of temporary restraining order, writ of preliminary injunction. Bakit nga ba mga absat? Nag-file na naman, no?
Or record.
Ito. Dahil wala na silang magawa mga kakapsat, tarantang-taranta na ang kampo ni Lustay. Ito mga kakapsat, si Torion na naman nagpapansin. Attorney Torion dumulog sa Supreme Court para ipatigil ang impeachment trial ni Bibi Sara. Torion! Nako, yung mga kampo ni Lustay. Wala nang may depensa kundi technicalities. Pinapatigil yung impeachment trial. Naghain sa Korte Suprema ang grupo na pinamumunuan ni Torion sa isang very urgent manifestation with motion upang ipatigil at pagpapatuloy na impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Ayon sa kanila, may hindi nare-resolbang isyong constitutional tungkol sa otoridad ng kasalukuyang namumuno sa impeachment trial court. Kaya hinihiling nila na maglabas sa Supreme Court ng status quo, anti-order at suspendihin muna ang paglilitis habang dinidinig ang issue. Hindi nila matanggap, mga kakapsat. Hindi nila matanggap na si Cheese Escudero ang presiding officer kasi hindi daw yun, mga tanga. Diyos ko Lord. Ibang klase, Ardayan. Ibang klase. Furious. Ibang klase. Desert Spring. Diyos ko po, mangibabain. Kapit na lang sa technicalities. Sige, magsumbong sa Supreme Court kasi walang laban. Walang bloodbath. Tingnan nyo nga kanina, nagpakita sa Senado, di naman humarap. Diba? Humarap pa siya sa kanina nung umalis tayo. Ardayan, nagpakita ba si Sara na sa impeachment court? O doon lang sa mic one, doon lang sa pinakita ko kanina na nagpa-interview siya ng isang sentence na ano yan? She will be blooded but hindi daw siya magbabaw. Ay, Diyos ko, Rudy. Ano yun? Watching from Saudi, shout out. Baby Agade. Ayan, shout out sa Kapsat. Hindi nagpakita. Asan yung blood bath? Papansin? Ay, bawal dun. Kaya nga, bawal daw question, no? One sentence, bawal question. So, goodbye na. Ganun na lang. Nagpapansin lang. Pupunta-punta ng Senado, hindi rin naman pala pupunta. Nakakapaw. Tapos yung kaalyado, nagpapile sa Supreme Court ng, ipatigil ang impeachment. Oh. Takot yarn. Asan yung blood bath? Diyos ko po, Rudy. Anong nangyari dito? Kasi pagkin natin to.
Attorney, magandang hapon. My full name is Attorney Amando Virgil Discartin Ligutan, Your Honor, please.
And you've entered your appearance yesterday,
Yes,
counsel?
Your Honor. Duly entered my appearance as one of the counsel for the prosecution.
You may proceed, sir. Call your
Thank
first
you
witness.
Thank you so much. Mga kababayan, we call to the witness stand the first witness for the prosecution in the person of NBI Senior Agent John Mark Santa Ana Calilo.
Diyan pa lang, oh.
Kindly bring the witness to the witness stand. Instructed to
You, John Mark Calilo,
John Mark Calilo, forward. Lights, camera, action.
Your Honors, mga kababayan, the testimony of the first witness for the prosecution, NBI Senior Agent John Mark Santa Ana Calilo, is offered to prove the following. Number one, si Agent John Mark Calilong ay isang senior agent of the National Bureau of Investigation. Number two, he is well-trained and experienced in the field of digital forensic examination, having undergone extensive training in the field, making him competent in identifying, preserving, collecting, and authenticating digital evidence. Pangatlo, si Agent Calilong ay bahagi ng NBI Cybercrime Division ng online.
Fast forward.
Na siyang, at ito ay nakatatak na sa kasaysayan ng ating bansa bilang unang pagkakataon ng isang vice-presidente ay nakipagkontrata sa isang mamamatay tao
Agoy.
upang patayin no less than the President of the Republic of the Philippines. Panglima.
Your Honor, may I object. Is this a speech or an offer?
Your Honor, please, with all due respect to counsel,
for the prosecutor may proceed.
it should not be a
May I
Okay.
register my continuing
There's
objection?
no proper ground. This is offer of testimony. Please hold your horses. Number 5, the public statements and threats of the Vice President
Nagtatawanan siya, oh.
were publicly live streamed and captured on video. Number 6, Agent Calilong is a designated agent on case for the investigation. Number 7, as agents on case, Agent Calilong personally conducted and participated in the cybercrime and open source digital recordings. Ng open source kahawig na pananakot sa buhay ng Pangulo. Kasama na ang sinabi niya sa publiko na minsan naisip niyang pugutan ng ulo ang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas. Number 9, in the course of the and
Forward.
we object
Presiding officer will now
issues involved in this impeachment proceeding and will identify relevant and material, documentary, and object pieces of evidence. That is the offer of testimony of our first witness, Your Honor, please.
Presiding
Honor.
officer will now hear the objection and or comments, if any, of the counsel for respondent to the offer
Prior to my-
made by counsel for the prosecution.
Your Honor, may we move for the exclusion of Agent Calilong for being not previously attached to the Cebalya and Cabrera complaints,
Ito na,
as well as
nakakatawa siya dito.
exclusion on the ground that
Malelecturan siya dito.
he was not included in the
O
articles
hindi daw.
of impeachment
Hindi daw siya
transmitted
kasama.
to the Senate Impeachment Court.
Nagulat sila sa
Can I respond to that, Your Honor, please?
Counsel for prosecutor may do so.
Mga kababayan, in this stage of the proceedings, the prosecution is about to present a witness and the defense is invoking the facts that this witness is not listed as one of the witnesses in the Sabalya complaint. The Sabalya complaint already lived its natural life. Your Honor, this is the impeachment proceeding of the articles of impeachment filed by the House of Representatives. Sabalya et al. Is done. That should not be a proper objection, Your Honor, please. As to the number 2, I think the good counsel mentioned that it is not part, this witness is not part of the articles of impeachment. Your Honor, please, I have been practicing for quite some time. I don't see that.
Your Honor, may I allow to reply also?
Can I finish? It's not a ground. And in fact, Your Honor, please, to settle the matter, this witness is listed in the pre-trial order. The issue is settled. The issue is passé. No ground for objection. Let me proceed, Your Honor.
Of course not, Your Honor. There were no rulings.
Counsel
In the-
for respondent is recognized
Thank you,
for
Your
a final rebuttal on this issue before the chair will issue a ruling.
Your Honor, there were no rulings on the pretrial order on exclusion of witnesses. We have a current petition with the Supreme Court questioning the very actions of the prosecution to allow the presentation of evidence that were not attached to the Sabalya or Cabrera impeachment complaints would allow the House of Representatives and the prosecution to circumvent the very procedural abuse condemned in Stonehill versus Jokno and allow the violation of the respondent's constitutional rights as held in Duterte in the House of, versus the House of Representatives. Your Honor, the prosecution says the Cebalya complaints have lived their and they died their natural deaths. However, Your Honor, this precisely does not cure what the prosecution did. This does not cure the violation of the rights of my client.
If I may, Your Honor, please. We
The
move
chair will
forward.
make its ruling.
Yan na.
The motion to exclude by the counsel for respondent is hereby denied. Chair cites Enrile versus Sandigan Bayan, which states
Aray ko po. Denied. Isa pa nga.
chair will make its ruling.
Ay, Forton, makinig ka, Forton. Mangibabain.
The motion to exclude by the counsel for respondent is hereby denied. Chair
Ow!
cites Enrile versus Sandigan Bayan, which states that the prosecutors may add or rely on evidence during pre-trial even if the evidence is not stated in the complaint or articles because only a summary is required to be stated
Tama, summary
in the
lang.
articles of impeachment in this case and or complaint and not a complete list of the prosecution's evidence and or witnesses. The court in general will not shackle the prosecution by limiting it to the evidence mentioned in the information and or the articles, especially when it is mentioned in the pre-trial brief.
Oh, hindi lang malilimit doon. Yan sa inyo eh. So, palpal kayo, harap-harapan. Diyos ko, ang sakit ba? Utragis.
Not only order but brief of the counsel for prosecutors. But in relation to this witness, even if you will do cross, you can register your continuing objection, counsel for respondent.
We are registering it. Your
Ayun lang, continue objection lang. Pero wala kayo magagawa. It is denied. Denied. Patragis tong bagitong.
Attorney
Diyos ko, Lord,
Amando.
wala na. Sunog na sunog.
Salamat po, Mr. Presiding
O, ito
Officer.
naman.
Tig-isang tanong lamang po para sa witness at para sa prosecution.
The lady may proceed. She has 2 minutes.
Salamat, Mr. Presiding Officer. Mr. Kalilong, nung sinabi nyo na nag-conduct kayo ng open source intelligence, pagkatapos nyo ma-authenticate yung November 23, 2024 video, at nahanap nyo yung video naman ng press conference dated October.
I would just like to manifest my support for the statement
Talagang si Pia, nako, masama pa rin loob kay Risa.
and observation of the presiding officer. That was like a closing statement, Mr. President. So, I don't think this is fair because, you know, some parts are exciting, some parts are dragging. We're trying our best to be paying attention and what evidence, you know, we have to ferret the evidence before us, what is admissible, what is not. The official objections will come later. But when we allow this to happen, na-shortcut na natin yung process. So, if I may, with all due respect, Mr. President, admonish us. Call us out if yung question natin is also not proper at the proper time. We may all make those mistakes. Even I may make that mistake. And I'm telling you, please call me out if I make a mistake and ask the kind of question that should not properly be asked by a judge at that particular time.
Hindi daw dapat
Because it is
tinatanong.
not right. We must follow the rules, and I know you are being courteous to all of us, but that was a closing statement. And I also asked the parties involved. You have an oath as lawyers. Don't take advantage of the generosity of this impeachment court. I don't want to see this happen again. Thank you, Mr. President.
Duly noted and well taken. The chair, as I said, or as the presiding officer said earlier, reminded our colleagues with respect to similar questions to be asked in the future.
Pia, Diyos ko po, Rudy. Nakapaw.
I will
It's a
indulge.
2 hour
Your Honor, please.
36.
I will
It's a 2
indulge.
hour
Your Honor, please.
36.
I will
26
indulge,
minute
Your Honor,
video, Your
please.
Honor.
I will indulge. I will add these 2 phrases. It will never be that. Now, Mr. Witness, what statements did the Vice President utter on that day, if any?
Your Honor,
Whoa.
same objection. There's a
Honor, please.
2 hour 26 minute. What?
Let the
does
witness
he mean?
answer.
Counsel, this 2 hour and so minute video was done on the same day.
Yes, correct, Your Honor. But the question must be given with particularity.
If the witness knows, witness may answer.
Answer.
Witness will please answer.
Can I
Ngiti-ngiti
refer
ka.
for my notes to identify the exact statement because I might said a statement that's not part of the actual statement.
Presiding officer will allow the witness.
Okay, go.
Meant, quote and quote, yes, huwag kang mag-alala ma'am sa security ko kasi may kinausap na ako na tao. Sinabi ko sa kanya, kapag pinatay ako, patayin mo si BBM, si Lisa Araneta at si Martin Romualdez. No joke, nagbilin na ako ma'am. Pag namatay ako, sabi ko,
Hindi na si Porton, Si Porton nandun, Lord na Porton to. Nasa harap mo. Bantayan nyo mabuti, ha? Wag kayo nakasimangot.
huwag kang tumigil hanggat di mo sila mapatay. Hanggat di mo sila mapatay sila. And then he said yes.
Please proceed, counsel.
Thank you. Now, in what particular portion of that video recording that you authenticated of that online media briefing on November 23, 2024, did the Vice President utter those words?
If I may, sir, I think we should include the question first. It starts at 1 hour and 15 minutes
Ba't
to 1
nakasimangot
hour
ka?
17 minutes and 18 seconds, sir.
Your Honor, so the witness manifested as an answer to the question in what portion he said, timestamps 1 hour 15 minutes 0 second to 1 hour 17 minutes 18 seconds, and we computed, Your Honor, please,
2 minutes.
it's a 2-minute 18-second portion of that video. At this juncture, Your Honor, please, bases have been laid. The nation can finally see it. The court will do. We move that that's 2 minute and 18-second portion of that video be presented at this juncture, Your Honor, please.
Yung! Fast forward.
Vice President. Thank you so much nga po pala sa dala niyong kopya nung hearing na pumunta kayo for PRRD. Kami yung nasa likod niyo po, yung tinawag nilang bastos kasi po malaki. Congresswoman.
Kindly pause it. Ganyan ba talaga?
Your Honor, please, Your Honor, please, the witness said that he would like to include the question propounded to the Vice
Okay lang.
President.
So, ganyan nga, hindi nalalakihan yan? Ganyan na talaga yan? Or it will get bigger?
It will get bigger, Your Honor, please.
Okay, please proceed.
Yan. Thank you, ma'am. Nakakain kami. Ako po'y natatakot kumain ng pagkain doon baka mamaya eh. Ma'am, mag-iingat po kayo. Nasa teritoryo kayo ng kalaban.
Okay lang
Nag-aalala po
po,
kami
ma'am, kasi sila naman sila talaga yung bastos eh.
O sila doon yung bastos.
You reap
Opo,
what you
okay.
sow.
Yeah. Mag-iingat po kayo kasi sa dinami-rami po ng inyong mga pasabog ngayong gabi, it seems like marami po talaga kayong alam about them, no? Dahil sa pagkakasama niyo sa kanila during the campaign and during the 2022 elections.
Shout
Baka
out,
po mamaya
Liberty,
kasi totoo
Torino,
yung
shout
mga
out.
naririnig namin or yung, I don't know if it's true, na meron daw silang Operation Romanovs and baka bala kayong ubusin ang inyong pamilya dahil hadlang kayo sa kanilang mga balaki in the future. So mag-iingat po kayo. Kami po kasi kami ng EDSA Friday Group, kami yung bumababa every Friday dyan sa EDSA because we believe
Putragis na EDSA Friday group. O, kada Friday na dyan sila. Pero putragis, nalusaw. Kasi wala ng budget. Diyos ko po, Ruti. Okay, nag-away-away pa sila dahil sa budget.
yan yung tamang venue sa dinami-rami na ng problema natin. Ang kaya lang naman po namin gawin ay manawagan na bumaba na yan. Eh ano po kaya ang remedy naman ninyong mga nasa posisyon or ng mga kayang labanan itong napakarami na pong ginagawang korupsyon at krimen laban sa taong bayan? Ano po ang pwede nyo maging remedy para matapos na ito? Lalo't nagsisigaw na po ang taong bayan na mag-people power na.
Yes. Huwag kang mag-alala, ma'am, sa security ko. Kasi may kinausap na ako na tao. Sinabi ko sa kanya, kapag pinatay ako, patayin mo si BBM, si Lisa Araneta, at si Martin Romales. No joke. No joke. Nagdilin na ako, ma'am. Pag namatay ako, sabi ko, huwag ka tumigil hanggang hindi mo mapatay sila. And then he said yes.
That's the end of that 2-minute and 18-second portion of the video, Your Honor, please. Pwede ba kita magpadayon? Can we continue?
Counsel may continue, may proceed.
Now, Mr. Witness, what relation, if any, does that video that you viewed with the video you mentioned earlier, the Vice President uttering that statement?
It is the portion of the video that I authenticated, sir.
Okay. Let's continue. What happened next, Mr. Witness, kung meron man, after mong ma-authenticate yung subject video na yan?
Our team conducted an open source investigation to identify previous statement of the Vice President that had similarities to the November 23, 2024 video, sir.
I will
It's a
indulge, Your Honor.
In the point of
But
order
in
in the
any case,
rules,
ito
is the point of
importante
order
to,
in
di
the
ba?
Constitution.
Eh di kung pa-i-insist nyo
The Constitution
na
says
yung
it is
impeachment
the
amendment na yan kailangan gawin
Senate
ng special
President who
session.
will preside. So
Matapos
are
na
we
yung
saying
special-
now, Mr. President, that the rules
Mukha namang
can amend
very
the
supportive
Constitution?
naman ang
Is that the
Malacanang sa
ruling of the
majority.
chair?
Before I
In the point of
But
order
in
in
any
the rules,
case,
Nakamute pala ako. Huwag ka naman ganyan. Ang dami ko nang sinabi. So ito nga, no? Itong Supreme Court asked to stop the impeachment trial. Ito yung binabanggit ko sa inyo kanina doon sa ginawa ni Torion. Bakit takot na takot? 'Di ba? Diyos ko, Lord Rudy. Wala na silang masabi. Wala na silang maibala kundi Diyos ko po. Tatakbo sa Supreme Court, no? Ipapatigil yung impeachment kasi bakit daw si Chis Escudero ang presiding officer? Dapat yung Senate President daw. Anak ng kamote. Pinakinggan na natin si framers of Adolfo Ascuña, di ba? Sinagot niya na yan. Pero itong mga garapatang to, Diyos ko Lord, lalo na si Torion, no, nag-fight talaga. Kaalyado ng mga Duterte, ng mga kibuloy. Di ba? Diyos ko po, tatakbo sa Supreme, pero mapapasura, walang silbi yan. Kasi coming from Adolfo Ascuña, mga absat, no? Yung topic natin kaninang umaga, wala na, tapos na. So, yan mga absat, Diyos ko Lord. So, dyan lang muna tayo sa ating, nako po, ano nangyari sa depensa? Nagtatago sa Supreme Court. Ipatigil mo kasi wala na. Supreme Court, magbigay ka ng ruling. Mali yung ginawa nila. Hindi dapat si Chis ang kumbaga parang minamalit talaga nila si Senate President Win Gatchalian di ba? Dapat si Win Gatchalian. Para ano 'yon? Para makontrol nila. Nako po. But anyway, hindi tayo pupunta dyan. Alright, mga basat, subtopic tayo. Again, shoutout sa mga nandito. Again, sa mga hindi pa po nagla-like, ilan na yung like natin? Jenny Ramos, ilan na yung like natin? Hindi ko ba nakikita? So, like and subscribe tayo. Countdown tayo sa ating next topic. Tragis. Nako po, mga garapata. Handaan nyo, may ruling ng Supreme Court. No? Photocopy is okay. Basta sa original, Mali na naman yung abogado nyo. Porton pa man din. Diyos ko, Lord Rudy. Siya. Countdown tayo in 30 seconds. Here we go.